Welcome to video 5 of the Introduction to Total Station video series. This video covers data collection using the total station. Let's get started.
Ensure that prior to data collection, the height of instrument, height of rod, and occupied point have been set up in the total station. Enter the menu mode by pressing the menu key, also known as number 7. Once in menu mode, press F2 to enter the data collection menu. Open an existing data collection file by pressing F2 List to open the list of existing files and use the up and down arrows to select a file. Pressing Enter will select the file with the arrow displayed next to it. If you wish to create a new file, press F1 Input. Use the keypad to enter the name of the new file. It may be necessary to press F3 Clear prior to entering the new file name. To enter letters, you must first press F1 ALP. You may then use the keypad to enter letters. To type the letter S, for example, you would press the number 1 button one time. If you want to type a letter that shares the same number key as the letter you previously typed, you must first press the right arrow to move the cursor. It is not necessary to advance the cursor if the next letter you wish to input does not share the same key as the previous letter you typed. Once in ALP mode, you must press F1 NUM to return to number entry mode. Once you have entered the name of the new file, press Enter to save. The data collection menu will then be displayed. Press F3 Foresight/Side Shot. Press F1 Input and use the keypad to enter the first point number to be used for data collection. After each point is recorded, the total station will automatically increase the point number sequentially. Press Enter to store the point number and advance to the next line. The P code is the point description. It is an acronym or abbreviation used to quickly identify the point type. You can press F1 Input to type in a custom point code or press F2 Search to select from a list of pre-programmed codes. There are 50 pre-programmed codes that correspond directly with the Civil 3D template we have provided. You can also press F1 Input and type in the number of the pre-programmed point code, then press Enter. The list of pre-programmed point codes can be found in Canvas under the Total Station Resources module. Press F3 Measure. Press F3 NEZ. This will begin coordinate measuring. Press Escape to cancel coordinate measurement. Press F3 Measure. Ensure that there is an asterisk next to NEZ. This indicates that the total station will record the measurements in NEZ format. This step only needs to be completed once each time you begin data collection. Press Escape to return to the previous menu. Use the sighting collimator to sight in the target. Lock the horizontal and vertical clamps. Use the horizontal and vertical fine motion screws to align the center of the reticle crosshairs with the center of the prism. Press F4 All. The total station will take a measurement. The confirmed data screen will pop up. Review the measurement data, and if it is acceptable, press F3 Yes. The Foresight/Side Shot screen will appear again. The point number will have increased automatically. Use the up and down buttons to move through the point number, point code, and rod height input lines. Adjust as necessary. Use the sighting collimator to sight the target. Lock the horizontal and vertical clamps. Use the horizontal and vertical fine motion screws to align the center of the reticle crosshairs with the center of the prism. Press F4 All to record the data of the collimated point. Repeat this process as needed to collect all points. For workflow efficiency, it is recommended that you record all points sharing the same point code before moving on to points with a new point code. This reduces the need to switch point codes with every shot.